Hi guys, Namaste and welcome to my channel Reviewer Chokri. I am your reviewer Chokri Veena Lobo and welcome to another video on my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my videos and my channel, so please subscribe कीजिए. अभी तो I have spelled it out for you right here on my light box. I always like showing it off. So please subscribe to my channel now. Click the red button and then we will proceed with the video. ओके सो इफ़ यू आर फीलिंग दैट इसके बाल अच्छे लग रहे हैं या कर्ल्स अच्छे लग रहे हैं या पता नहीं मुझे ही लग रहा है कि मेरे बाल अच्छे लग रहे हैं, दैट इज़ बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू बी रिव्यूइंग अ हेयर प्रोडक्ट in this particular video. That's right, it's going to be the Giovanni LA styling gel, stronghold gel. I'm going to be reviewing this particular gel and I'm also be going to reviewing the leave-in hair treatment, which is a Giovanni spray. Going to be reviewing these two products. I have already applied both of these products because I've shot this video in a reverse order. So right now I'm already having these products and my hair is still, drying up. But yeah, if you can see results on my hair, I can see a good hold and definition in my curls. That's because I've already used the Giovanni hair gel, the strong hold gel, really ultra strong hold gel, and the hair treatment, which is a leave-in spray. So let's go. So right now I've just washed my hair and I am going to apply the Giovanni LA holding gel, and just going to give it enough hydration so that before I apply the gel, my hair is enough wet for it. Even though I have just washed it, still it might have lost a little moisture. Okay, now that is my completely wet hair यहाँ पर, and I am going to take a pea-sized portion of this gel. Okay, the amount of gel that I have taken to use for my hair now. Also, I'm going to do one thing is because I've used this gel earlier and I know that it has a really strong hold. So, without conditioning, without enough hydration, if you just put on this hair or if you use it without water, your hair turns, really kadak, because it is really that, styling gel which has a really strong hold. So, I'm going to use a little water. I'm going to nicely mix the gel. It's a transparent gel. It is pretty thick and sticky, and I'm just going to scrunch my hair with this. I'm just going to give the lower part a good scrunch. As you've seen my earlier video which I have prepared for flaxseed gel, you have to give it as much as scrunching as possible. Do as much as scrunching as possible when your hair is wet, when it is moisturized. That is the time the product is going to penetrate deep into your hair and it is going to give you the kind of desired results before it starts drying up. So before applying this gel, I had shampooed my hair and I had used a deep conditioner. So all of the raking and the detangling part, I already did it like in the bathroom before applying this gel, but I have used no styling products after that. I've only used a shampoo and a deep conditioner for my hair, and I've opened all the knots and detangled it before I started the video, and now on video I'm just doing the gel part of it. And before doing the gel part of it, I made sure that my hair was hydrated. I sprayed some water over the same, and if your hair is wet enough, then you don't need to do that. But when you take this gel, make sure you take a very tiny portion of it because it is a really strong holding gel. Okay, at least when I used it for the first time, probably I used it the wrong way and my hair was like really stiff and kadak. That is not how I like my curls. I like my curls to be moving and not like be fixated. So that time I did not like it, but I understood how to work around this product because I watched a lot of reviews, and I also understand the point of using gels for like thin hair like mine. So you can already see like there is a bit of curl formation that is happening over here already with my hair. Now that I'm done with the entire gel application process, I am just going to move on and use the leave-in spray, the Giovanni leave-in spray, and then just let it to air dry because I don't have a diffuser, so I don't use a diffuser. So I'll just let my hair air dry and then finally show you the results. One more thing to do is if you have a lot of water in your hair, excess water, and you want to like remove some of it and not keep your hair that much soaking wet, so you can use a microfiber towel. I use a microfiber towel and lightly just scrunch my hair like this, very very gently, not doing it harshly or rubbing your hair harshly. Just use like a microfiber towel. Ideally you don't require a microfiber towel because I have always used, like up till now I've always used like a old cotton t-shirt. That also works perfectly fine. Just when I thought that I needed that kind of an upgrade, so I've recently bought this from Amazon from a brand called Soft Spun. I'll link up that in my description box below. But yeah, the uses of microfiber towel are that doesn't take away the moisture, but it removes the excess water, and it is really good for your skin also if you use microfiber towels to just dab your face every time you do like a face wash or take a bath. It really helps. So I have started using this because I do have like sinus problem, and having cold is like a year-long sickness for me. So I can't really keep my hair really wet, even though all the curly hair and CG hair products are that way, that you need to apply it on well hydrated hair. So even though I apply it on soaking wet hair, I make sure that I have kind of dried it, and so that I don't fall sick. So I use this towel. So starting with the gel now, I'm going to again spell out the entire product name for you. It is the Giovanni LA Hold Styling Gel Strong Hold. Okay, it has extreme holding power and also reduces your frizziness and gives you a great definition. This is a really strong hold gel. So a little backstory about purchasing this particular product, and also you can see कि अभी भी उतना empty नहीं हुआ है. I have just had like this is the third use that I'm doing of this particular gel. So I found out about this product on one of the Facebook discussions where I'm in this curly hair group, and that's when I thought ki why not give it a try, because I really like trying different gels for my hair to see the kind of definition and hold it gives me, not only on the day where I've washed my hair and put the gel, but how it lasts for the next 2-3 days. When do I need to do my next refresh, just to understand that. I like to experiment with hair gels. Speaking of hair gels, I have also tried a really amazing DIY flaxseed gel. If you have not yet watched my video, I'm linking that up in the I section of this particular video, wherever that is. Click on it and definitely watch it. I have got great results from it. It's cost effective and it is going to be really simple. So definitely watch that video too. Okay, now coming back to this particular product. Again, the reason I purchased this particular product, as you know, I run this channel and I am a person who is a flag bearer of products that are, organic and without harmful ingredients. So this gel has that particular category or that particular requirement. It meets that requirement. It is free of harmful sulfates, mineral oil, artificial dyes, parabens. So all kind of harmful chemicals are eliminated from this particular gel, which makes it my number one reason of even purchasing this gel. Secondly, this particular gel is called Strong Hold. Okay, now there is a soft to firm level over here, a meter over here, where they have given that it is on the third meter of it being firm. Okay, like there are like 4 dots, and third level it is shown that it is firm. So I'll tell you my initial experience of using this gel. Now this is a ultra strong hold gel, and it is a salon quality. It's a very salon based product. If you go to see, these are the kind of products that salons use when you go there and they want to, you get a haircut and you want to get that kind of a definition in your curls. They want to style your hair in a way. This is a gel for that requirement. It is not necessarily that you need to use it for curly hair. You can style your hair however you want with this particular gel. That's why it has that salon related quality. Now the first time I used this gel, I had a horrible experience. I'll tell you why. Because I had just shampooed my hair, not conditioned it, because I thought कि एक दो दिन पहले ही किया था, so it's okay. And then I used this gel. I just used it as it is. I think मैंने quantity भी ज़्यादा लिया था वो time पे. So the minute I applied this on my hair, it is extremely sticky. Okay, the consistency of this gel is way thick, and it is sticky. So I applied it onto my hair. And later on my hair became really hard, like my curls could not move. I am a girl who has curls which easily move. अभी भी अगर आप देखेंगे तो थोड़ा कड़कपन है, but I figured my way out through these products, and which I'm going to explain in this particular video. So my hair became really kadak. It was not able to move, like the curls, it was stiff, very stiff. So when they say, ultra hold styling gel, they mean it. It is really having a great strong hold, especially if you have like soft curls like mine. It's going to make your hair really hard. So how do you use this particular product? This time when I applied it, or the second time when I applied it, I found good results. So this is the same procedure that I've applied abhi. You take a really pea-sized quantity, take a really very less quantity, especially if you're using it for the first time. If you have thin and fine hair like mine, take a little quantity, apply, spray water on the gel, spray water on your hands, and then nicely mix the gel. This is something I do with all of my gels across whichever product that I've used, because you need to understand that gels are thick. The consistency is very thick unless it is getting really nicely distributed onto your palms when you're applying. If it is not getting distributed, then you definitely need to use some water, and this I do across my products. But when I use this for the first time, I just skip that particular process. But I do that. I just even when I use my DIY flaxseed gel, I spray a little bit of water on it, so that it distributes nicely, and then I go and scrunch into my hair. That way it penetrates well into my hair. The product gets absorbed pretty fast. So this particular product is true to its name. ये literally ultra hold gel है. So I think most of you might not like it because of this particular reason, okay? Because you want your curls to be free flowing. Now right now also I feel a little bit of stiffness in my curls, even though like if you're not able to see it on video, texture wise I can feel a little stiffness in my curls, because I know that my curls are soft and they move freely. My hair is a bit straight on the crown area from here, and then I have like softer curls towards my ends. So that is one reason you might not like it, because it really makes your hair kadak. How you need to use it I just told you, and I'll tell you about the other leave-in spray also. So a lot of ingredients like sunflower seed oil, vitamin E, and aloe vera, it has really good ingredients on that front. They have used a lot of botanical ingredients. It has a huge list of ingredients here. I'm not going to read through all of them, but there are some really good ingredients for your hair which provide you with the right kind of moisturization. Now 3 points that this gel promises that it gives you is: A, it secures shape with extreme hold, which is true. Like I told you, it gives you a great hold, but which also sounds like a con, can also be a pro, because you don't have to refresh your hair immediately. It actually lasts till the 3rd day of your hair wash. Now if I wash my hair today, there is tomorrow's day and day after tak, there will be good strong hold on your hair, or there will be good strong hold in your curls. So that way, if you want your hold to last for like 2-3 days, and if you don't have enough time to refresh your hair, you wash your hair in 2-3 days, this is a perfect gel for that particular reason, provided you know how to use it effectively. Second one is it surfaces, enhances, and provides a brilliant shine. That is also true, because right now I can see like there is enough good shine in my hair, and I've applied it pehle also. Like without this light also, I can tell you that there is good moisturization and shine in my hair currently. So that point also, it justifies, it fulfills this particular claim. And the third point is it controls frizz with authority. Even this point is true, because right in my crown area also, if I move my hair right now, you will see that there is not much frizz in my hair, okay? It's just, the way I'm moving it, it's staying that way. So my curls are not frizzy, they are kafi contained and moisturized and hydrated. So all these 3 points, right from the hold to the shine to the frizziness, this gel works wonderfully for that. This particular gel, the Giovanni LA Styling Hold Gel, is a USA based product, it's not an Indian product, and the fragrance of this particular product is pretty mild. I really can't tell you how or what fragrance it resembles, but it's pretty mild and it's not going to mess with your senses, so you will not mind applying it or anything. It has got a pretty mild fragrance. Now regarding the price of this particular gel, it costs around $595, that's almost 600 for 240 to 250 grams of this particular product. But like I told you, you will just require a very little quantity each time you apply this gel, plus you're going to add water to it, so ये आराम से आपको 2 to 3 months चल जाएगा. I have still used like 3 washes, but still it looks like something that I have not yet used. It looks like a new product, but ये almost अभी इतना ख़त्म हो गया है. And ये आराम से 2 to 3 months it will work for आराम से 2 to 3 months it will work for you. So even though this might not be that product which is very budget friendly or whatever, but compared to a lot of other curly haired product range, it is in that range. It almost costs you around 500 to 600, and that is a range which I think most other products are in. So yeah, that is the price of this particular product. So guys, this is how my hair looks after like 2 hours of using this product. When I had done the application, it was around 9 p.m. Right now it's 11 p.m. So there's so it's already been 2 hours, and that is the kind of this is the kind of hold it has given to my particular curls. Yes, it is texture wise it is still a bit thick, but since I've used lesser quantity of product and I've used both the spray and the gel combined, it's given me a good definition. It has given me also a good shine, and it's frizz free. So right now I'm able to even move my curls freely. If you're seeing, it's enough frizz free over here. And yeah, so this is the result. Volume wise, it's not given me that much of a bounce. It's kept my hair in the way it was. Like, I think because it's eliminating the frizz, the bounce part is not there that much. But yeah, the definition is pretty good, I would say. And I've used this पहले, so I know that almost second third day तक ये last होता है. But currently, like, my hair is अभी fully dry. It's got completely dry. I've air dried my hair, and these are my results. And I think yeah, it's pretty good. So both of these products are free from harmful chemicals, from parabens, from mineral oil, from sulfates, and both these products are also color safe. So for your color treated hair, you can definitely use these products without any hesitation. So guys, that's it from me. I am going to be linking both of these products, the Giovanni hair styling gel and the leave-in spray, in the description box of my video. All of the links that I mention in all my videos are affiliate links. What that means is that I am an Amazon affiliate, and this has no effect on the cost for you or even on the review, because these products I purchased with my own money. They are not PR. Even if they were PR, there would be no difference in my reviews unless I use a particular product and I generally have like a good review or an opinion or a feedback to share around it. I don't make a video unless I have that. So what that means is, if you do need to purchase these products, please do use my links, because the company pays me a small commission on that, and that way you can support me and my channel, and I'll be able to grow and make more videos and bring more reviews for your benefit and my benefit as well. If you do need to buy these particular products, use my links, and yeah, that's the way you can support me. So now that's it from me, guys. Thank you so much for watching this particular video. If you have liked this video, then please click on the like button, and do leave your comments regarding this product. If you have used this product previously, or if you're intending to buy this product, or if you have bought this product and how was your experience, I would love to know all of it. So please do tell me in the comment section below. Also, if you have liked this video, share it with your friends and family, and help my content reach further, help my content reach people who would actually want to use these kind of products. Girls with curly hair and men with curly hair, please share this video with them. And Yeah, and the most important thing is, always what I say is make that button gray, the subscribe button. Click on it and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the notification button, because that way whenever I bring an amazing video, I mean who he may amazing, but whenever I bring one amazing video, you will be notified immediately. And even if you don't have time to watch it, yeah, you can put it in your save for later playlist, and definitely watch it on the weekend when you do have the time, and then you can check out the other reviews and decide whether you want to buy the products or not. So yeah, please subscribe.